Hello my friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Let's start today's plant video with this beautiful Aglaonema lipstick. Look at it. How beautiful, how gorgeous it looks. This particular plant had been shifted to this big plastic pot, I think 2 months back or maybe 1.5 months back, and this is the growth. It has given out numerous young baby plants which can actually be shifted to another pot as well. Now let's move on to our Hawatia limifolia. Look at the state of the plant. This is a succulent. All the leaves are curled back. That's the new floral shoot. The leaves are all curled inwards. That is because of the heat, because the last 3 days it was very hot. Now this is my Chrysula ovate or the jade. This is the twisted jade. This is supposed to be bright and colorful when it is exposed to the full sun, but what I noticed is as it was too very hot, the color has vanished, it seems. Now I have to keep an eye to see whether what I am thinking is correct or not, because some time back it was brightly colored. Now let us move on to this tiny succulent. It was a tiny one when it was given to me by my sister-in-law Rosa in the month of October, and this is how it is doing. Actually, when she had given me, I think it just had one leaf, and look at its growth now. This is also called a ghost plant, and most probably it is the Fred Ives. The leaves get a pinkish tinge when exposed to the full sun. A beautiful plant. Now let's move on to another succulent. This is the golden sedum, and it is one of my favorite. A very easy to grow succulent and equally beautiful. The more the sun, the more golden it's going to get, and it is very easy to propagate, and it is a beginners friendly succulent. Yes. Let us move on to our ice plant. This is the variegated plant, the ice plant. It is also called, the actual name is Corpuscularia lehemani. It's a difficult name, so I prefer to call it the ice plant, the variegated one, which I had purchased from the flower show in the month of February, and it is my favorite. Now moving on to another favorite of mine. This is the Tradescantia or the Wandering Jew, or it is also called the Painted Lady, Pink Panther, quite a lot of names. This is also one of my favorite. Actually, I don't know which is not my favorite, and it is a beautiful plant. Now let's move on to our ZZ plant. After a long time, I'm showing you my black ZZ, Zamiofolia zamioculcas. Now this is it. The leaves are black, thick and leathery. The leaves turn black as the leaves mature, from where it gets its name, the black ZZ. There is the green one also, the common one. And the reason why I am showing you this particular plant today is because you have to stay with me to see what is happening. A new shoot, that's the new shoot from where a new set of leaves are going to unfurl very soon. And when the leaves are young, the leaves are very pretty green in color, but as the leaves mature, it turns blackish and leathery. So this is my ZZ plant, and I had paid quite a lot for this particular plant, and I had bought this plant during the Corona period. That time I was crazy for ZZ plants. Anyway, I still love it. This is how it looks. A beautiful plant. Now, last but not the least, this is my Syngonium, the strawberry eyes, one of the pretty plants, and they seem to be loving the monsoon. Last night it rained after about 3 days, and it seems they enjoyed the splashes of water. And look at the leaves, how beautiful they are. Half are pink, half are green, some are specked, and some leaves are totally pink, but as the leaves mature they turn green. It's a beautiful, beautiful plant. This was in my bucket list for quite some time before I could catch hold of this plant. So thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have found the video useful, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, be safe, be happy, and it's bye bye for today.